Hello YouTube, this is Go for ET. Today I would like to talk about a weird thing that you can find on the Microsoft Worldwide Telescope. So let's go into it. If you find our sun, which is right in here, and you can see lines, red lines. You can see them as well here, but there's a very faint right here. And if you go into them, this is a thing that's been pointed by Tony Gilson on one of his videos, and they were talking about like galactical federation, and there's a blue object that's our good aliens, and the red ones which is bad aliens. So I thought myself I'm gonna have to find the blue ones if it's true and if they exist. So there's one of those red things which I believe, which Tony believes it might be a wormhole to transport the UFO ships through the galactic space and time. So as you can see, there's one of the red ones, and if you go just a little bit to the left of this one, you can find exactly the same blue objects. If anybody knows what this might be, because as far as we believe it might be a wormhole, share your information please, because I'm scratching my head and I can't find out any information about this. And as you can see, there's loads of them just next to our sun. If you just go and search for them, you can see another one here, another one here. There's like loads of them, and that might be alien spacecrafts. Look at this, there's plenty of them. And I think this is a wormhole. This might be because of the capturing through the telescope. So that might be exposure for the telescope, this line, and that's really the object. And this might be just the halo after the gate, the portal, wormhole, whatever you want to call it. It should. And especially very interesting objects of these ones I found in the Cygnus constellation. And if you go into the Cygnus constellation, and it's gonna be right in here. So let's go back a minute. You can see the halo of this object in here as well, probably. Closer look, which is much bigger than normally. I believe that might be a halo of a wormhole. Let's go in here. And my conclusion was, if it's really a portal, we should be able to capture on at least one of them object going through it, or going into it, or going out. Don't know. And this particular one looks like we've got a round object coming out of this wormhole. And as you can see, take a look at the star. The star, it's got the same brightness all around. And in this object you can clearly see there is a shadow underneath of it. Go a little bit closer. So that might be a spacecraft, or maybe just another star underneath of it. Really, I don't know. If anybody got some more information about this, please share it so we can do some more research about them. And but everywhere you can find the red ones, you can always find blue ones. At least I believe you can always find. You not always can see them, but there's another blue line, which is gonna be another exposure for the telescope. But you can't see any objects in this, so I think the timing was just wrong. It's probably just after after it arrived or just before it arrived, maybe just to start creating a wormhole. And another very interesting thing in the Cygnus constellation is the blackout piece. Take a closer look on this. It's just fucking cropped out. And if you go yourself on the Worldwide Telescope.org, you can see the lines of a picture face, and that's the edge line of every single picture. So there's a point where all the lines meeting. There's a point where all the lines meet. I don't know if you can see this on the screencast, but if you go by yourself, the other meeting point is about here. It's about here. So that just proves this image is available but hidden from public, because it's just cropped out in here. If they making pictures which looks like those tails, something's not right, folks. If anybody notice it, or anybody knows why, please let us know. Let the truth go out, folks. God bless.